So you want to create your first skill for AI in SharePoint, but you don't have that agent assets library. What do you do? Well, I'm going to show you step by step. This is exactly what you need to do. You need to be a site collection administrator. If you are not, you need to find out who is in your site because you need to enable a site collection feature. Now, to do that, let me give you the step-by-step process. I need to go to the settings icon or the cog in the top right-hand corner. I go to site information. I go to view all site settings. Now, under site collection administration, we have this little link that we call site collection features. Now, we're taken to a page where we can enable a number of different features. Now, one of the big ones here, in addition to agent assets, is document sets. Remember, if you're following along, you need to enable document sets. If you want to use document sets, this is where you need to enable them. But we have a new feature sitting on top called agent assets. We click on activate and that will then activate that site collection feature. You can see that is now being activated. If I go to site contents, what we will see is a document library called agent assets. Now, when I go into that agent assets library, you can see I've got skills and I have got plans. Now, one thing to note here, you can see that we don't have any content types here, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of that type of thing, but that is now enabled. We are now ready to create our very first skill. So what we need to do to create our skill, it's pretty easy. We've actually got a skill to create our skill. So if I go to ask a question about AI in SharePoint, let's maybe write a skill for writing YouTube descriptions. Can you please write a skill so that when a user selects a transcript out of a document library, that the skill then writes a description for YouTube, including the timestamps and also 5 alternate YouTube titles. So there we go. We are going to create our skill for YouTube creation, right? So maybe we're storing our transcripts in our document library and we want a good way to, or a quick and a skill to be able to create descriptions and also give us some alternative titles for our video, okay? So here we can see, great idea, skill name here, description, instructions. This is the draft, so it's just giving me what it is thinking, all right? And this looks pretty good, all right? And I'll just say, looks good. Let's go. All right. And now what AI in SharePoint is going to do is actually going to create that skill for me. It's going to pop it in the skills folder automatically now that we've got that site collection feature enabled for us. And there you have it. You've just created your very first skill for AI in SharePoint.